Hello, this is May's Design Corner, and I am doing a collaboration called the Easter Tea Party. And let me tell you, our host is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jean Home Decor and More, Jennifer at Home, Bobby Dailey, Rural Life in the Valley, and moi, May's Design Corner, which is me. I'm going to show you how I decorated my Easter tea party. Ladies and gentlemen, please go on over and check all these beautiful ladies out. Sandy, Anna, Jean, Jennifer, and Barbie. And of course, me, Mabel, at May's Design Corner. Okay, I put my bows there, and my bows are made from the plastic tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. I have my pink flower there, and my bow on top of that. And then when you come on down, you will see that I have my teacups here, and on my teacup, I have my spoon and a beautiful pink bowl. And here is a cup and saucer set here that I have. And it has a little spoon that goes to it as well. Okay. And here I have another set that I set on my tea table. And here it is here. It has a bowl and a spoon there. And it says chocolate. Yes, I absolutely love my teacup there. And we have the little trays here, and I have my little donuts on the trays, and it says chocolate as well. And I have 4 going here, and here I have another teacup with a spoon here, and I have my flower tea cup and flour saucer there, and another teacup and a spoon there. You will find that on the ends I have my chocolate there, my candle there, my little holding jar there, and these came from the Dollar Tree. These were on Valentine's Day at the Dollar Tree, and I put that in the back there to hold some little cookies. And my candle is decorated with florals and a bow. So I'm going to let you go around and take a look at my Easter tea party decoration. And I want to say, I hope that you all have a very, very happy Easter and happy Resurrection Day. Don't forget what it's all about. It's not all about the bunny, and it's not all about the donuts. It's all about Jesus the Christ who gave his life for us. And I have my sign here. My worries are few because my blessings are many. And this is the teapot that I have here. My teapot says, "Let the beauty of the Lord our God be upon you." And that's in Psalms 90:17. And this is my teapot. So I got my teapots, my teacups, and my trays with the desserts on them for my Easter tea party. Take a look around. Shout Jesus from the mountains, Jesus in the streets, Jesus in the darkness over every enemy, Jesus for my family, I speak the holy name, Jesus. Shout Jesus from the mountains, Jesus in the streets, Jesus in the darkness over every enemy, Jesus for my family, Jesus. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Sandy Lynn, and I thank all of our participants, and I encourage you to please go down the playlist and look at everyone's design and give them a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. I would love it so much if you would subscribe to my channel. God bless you. I love you. Happy Easter. Happy Resurrection Day. And remember, y'all, prayer really works. This is May's Design Corner saying, adieu. God bless you. Happy Easter. Happy Resurrection Day.